Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to highlight text in Canva. Highlighting text in Canva is a great way to make important words stand out in your designs. So there are two main ways to do this. For the first method is by adding a background effect to your text. So as you can see, we're currently on a template right now on Canva to do the sample. We are going to choose in here a text that we want to highlight, for example, this one, company profile. So as you can see, there are no highlight options in here. So we're gonna click on effects. From there, you should be able to see background. So this will automatically highlight the entire text inside the text box. You can customize the highlight by adjusting its roundness in here, spread, and transparency. So you could go ahead and adjust it as per your liking. And you could also try to change the color in here to match your style or your design. So let's choose another color, like for example, this one. So as you can see, this method applies to the whole text box and not just a specific word. So if you want to highlight only a certain word in here, you can use the second method, and that is by adding a shape. So you'll just have to go to elements in here and search for a shape like rectangle or rounded rectangle. So if you scroll down in here, you should be able to see shapes, and then you could choose from, but for you to be easier to find which specific one you're trying to use, you could use the search bar. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one, the rounded square. You'll just have to drag it on your design. Like for example, this advantages. This is just one word. And then we are gonna resize and position it behind this specific word that we have chosen to highlight. So let's adjust this just like that. So once placed, you could also change the color to something like, if you want a highlighter yellow, just click here on the upper part, and then you could choose from the document colors or any colors here below. So let's add a new color in here. So I think we could use yellow, just like a highlighter, and it should go and look something like this. And if the shape is covering your text, you'll just have to right click onto it and adjust the layer by sending the shape to the back. So let's click on anything in here, and then we could click on position. So click on layers and find this one, the highlight that we did earlier. So you could go ahead and choose to put this at the back of the text. So make sure it is at the back of the text so that it won't be covering the text that you're trying to highlight. You could also fine tune the placement for this or adjust the transparency if needed. So just click on the transparency in here, and so that it won't be very visible or hindering your text, you could go ahead and drag this as per your liking and just enough to highlight your text. So that is just basically it, how you highlight text in Canva. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.